Hi, we are doing area and perimeter. We have to find the area of this trapezium. Now, what is given? AB is 14 centimeter, CD is 8 centimeter, and BC is 10 centimeter. Now, we have the parallel sides CD and AB which are given. Now, we need to find the distance between the parallel side. Now, from C, we will write here, from C, draw a perpendicular on AB, right? We'll show it like this, right? So let it be E. So CE is perpendicular on AB. Now how much will AE be? AE will be 14 is AB, this whole length, minus 8. Sorry, AE will be 8 centimeter and EB will be 14 minus this much is 8. Fine. That is 6 centimeter. EB is 6 centimeter. So what you will do, you will write like this: from C, draw a perpendicular on AB and draw a figure alongside it and show it. CE is perpendicular to AB, AE is 8, so EB is 6 centimeter. Right? Now what we will do, using Pythagoras theorem. Using Pythagoras theorem. As this is a perpendicular, this is a right angle triangle. So 10 square is, the base is EB now, 6 square plus height square. Let the height be h. Fine. So it will be 100 is equal to 36 plus h square. 100 minus 36 is h square. So what is h square? 64. So h is square root of 64 is 8. So what we got? We got the height, that is CE. CE is 8 centimeter. That's the height. That is the distance between the two parallel sides. Right? So what is the area? Area of trapezium? Half sum of parallel sides into distance between them, or you can say height. Fine. That is half sum of parallel side. What is the parallel side? 14 plus 8 into h. H is 8 centimeter, what we found out. So half 14 plus 8 will become 22 into 8. That is 11 into 8, that is 88 centimeters square is the area of this trapezium. So this you have to write and show that from C you are making a perpendicular on AB, which is meeting AB at E. Fine. So this and EB will be 14 minus 8, and then using Pythagoras theorem you will get the height, and then using the formula you can find the